Ethereum value equivalent to $2,786.53 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $2,744.76, $2,859.47. The earlier day close, $2,825.35. The change was 38.82, 1.37%. Opposite rate. United States dollars to Ethereum value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Ethereum estimate for May 2024. To start with, cost at $39.13. Exorbitant cost $46.86, while low cost $39.13. The normal for the month $4,223. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,379. Change for May 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset, cost at $43.79. Exorbitant cost $52.91, while low cost $43.79. The normal for the month $4,749. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,945. Change for June 12.9%. Ethereum gauge for July 2024. To start with, cost at $49.45. Exorbitant cost $57.49, while low cost $49.45. The normal for the month $5,253. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,373. Change for July 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $53.73. Excessive cost $58.38, while low cost $50.74. The normal for the month $5,435. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,456. Change for August 1.5%. Ethereum figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $54.56. Excessive cost $6,004, while low cost $52.18. The normal for the month $5,572. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,611. Change for September 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $56.11. Excessive cost $60.64, while low cost $52.70. The normal for the month $5,653. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,667. Change for October 1.0%. Ethereum conjecture for November 2024. Before all else, cost at $56.67. Exorbitant cost $62.56, while low cost $54.38. The normal for the month $5,802. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,847. Change for November 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $58.47. Exorbitant cost $62.68, while low cost $54.48. The normal for the month $5,855. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5,858. Change for December 0.2%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2025. At the outset, cost at $58.58. Excessive cost $64.34, while low cost $55.92. The normal for the month $5,974. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,013. Change for January 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at $60.13. Excessive cost $73.21, while low cost $60.13. The normal for the month $6,547. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,842. Change for February 13.8%. Ethereum gauge for WAC 2025. In the first place, cost at $68.42. Exorbitant cost $74.05, while low cost $64.37. The normal for the month $6,901. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $6,921. Change for spring 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $69.21. Excessive cost $85.90, while low cost $69.21. The normal for the month $7,615. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $8,028. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for May 2025. Initially cost at $80.28. Excessive cost $87.50, while low cost $76.06. The normal for the month $8,141. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $8,178, change for May 1.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $81.78. Exorbitant cost $9,100, while low cost $79.10. The normal for the month $8,423. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $8,505, change for June 4.0%. Ethereum estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at $85.05. Exorbitant cost $10,557, while low cost $85.05. The normal for the month $9,358. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $9,866, change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $98.66. Exorbitant cost $98.66, while low cost $78.44. The normal for the month $9,003. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $8,434, change for August 14.5%. Ethereum figure for September 2025. Initially cost at $84.34. Excessive cost $84.34, while low cost $72.57. The normal for the month $7,982. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,803, change for September 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at $78.03. Exorbitant cost $96.85, while low cost $78.03. The normal for the month $8,586. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $9,051, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $90.51. Exorbitant cost $90.51, while low cost $70.71. The normal for the month $8,194. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $7,603, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $76.03. Excessive cost $76.03, while low cost $59.40. The normal for the month $6,883. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,387, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum figure for January 2026. Initially cost at $63.87. Excessive cost $63.87, while low cost $49.89. The normal for the month $5,782. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,365, change for January 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $53.65. Exorbitant cost $63.99, while low cost $53.65. The normal for the month $5,777.